The job description of a technician covers a wide array of technical duties that are vital to the functionality and success of organizations across many industries. From installing and maintaining equipment to troubleshooting system errors and supporting engineers or supervisors, technicians serve as the hands-on specialists who ensure that machinery, systems, and devices operate as intended. Their role may vary significantly depending on the field, whether it's mechanical, electrical, IT, medical, or laboratory, but the fundamental purpose remains consistent: applying technical knowledge to keep operations running smoothly. Technicians play a crucial part in converting theoretical concepts into real-world functionality. Unlike engineers who may focus on design and planning, technicians are generally tasked with executing, inspecting, calibrating, and repairing systems. They follow detailed technical instructions and standards, often using tools, software, or specialized equipment to perform their duties. Their work requires a strong understanding of technical concepts, an ability to interpret blueprints or manuals, and the competence to diagnose and resolve problems under pressure. Given the technical and often specialized nature of their responsibilities, technicians are relied upon to ensure that operations meet safety, quality, and performance standards. They are involved in installation, maintenance, testing, documentation, and sometimes customer support. Their role can include working with physical hardware, conducting system diagnostics, or assisting in research and development. Because of this broad scope, technicians are found in diverse settings, from factories and labs to hospitals and IT firms. Core responsibilities of a technician. One of the primary tasks of a technician is the installation and setup of equipment or systems. Whether assembling machinery in a manufacturing plant, configuring computer networks, or installing medical devices in a clinic, technicians follow established procedures to ensure that systems are deployed correctly. This initial setup may include testing components, calibrating instruments, and documenting the installation process. Maintenance is another vital responsibility. Preventative and corrective maintenance ensures that machines or systems continue operating efficiently and without interruption. Technicians routinely inspect equipment, replace worn-out parts, and perform system updates or recalibrations. Their routine checks help minimize unexpected breakdowns and increase the longevity of systems. In many sectors, especially in manufacturing or healthcare, consistent maintenance by technicians directly impacts operational safety and compliance. Troubleshooting and repairs make up a substantial portion of a technician's day-to-day activities. When systems fail or behave unexpectedly, it is the technician's job to diagnose the issue using various tools, software diagnostics, or physical inspection. Once the issue is identified, the technician must implement the appropriate fix, document the repair, and sometimes provide guidance to users on avoiding future problems. As the job becomes more advanced, the job description of a technician also includes responsibilities in quality control and testing. Technicians may conduct detailed tests on components or systems to verify functionality or performance. These tests could involve stress testing electronics, checking fluid pressure in mechanical systems, or analyzing data outputs from software. Based on results, they may suggest modifications, fine-tune system parameters, or escalate findings to engineering teams for further evaluation. Documentation and reporting are essential in ensuring that maintenance logs, test results, and service reports are accurately recorded. These records are crucial for tracking performance over time, identifying patterns in system failures, and maintaining compliance with regulatory standards. Whether entering data into a computer system or manually recording in logbooks, technicians must be meticulous and consistent in how they report their findings. In many organizations, technicians also assist with inventory management of tools, spare parts, and consumables. They may track usage, reorder supplies, and ensure that all necessary equipment is in place before beginning a job. Some technicians are responsible for safety compliance, ensuring that protective gear, safety protocols, and hazard labels are up to date and observed. Skills and qualifications needed. To succeed as a technician, a combination of technical proficiency, problem-solving ability, and attention to detail is necessary. Depending on the specialization, technicians must be familiar with tools, machinery, software, or scientific equipment relevant to their field. For example, an electronics technician may need to understand circuitry and soldering, while a laboratory technician might require experience in handling chemical compounds and using microscopes. A foundational requirement is the ability to read and interpret technical manuals, blueprints, schematics, or engineering drawings. Technicians must be able to understand complex instructions and apply them precisely in real-world situations. This requires not only technical knowledge but also spatial awareness and mechanical aptitude. Problem solving is an indispensable trait. Technicians frequently encounter unexpected issues or equipment failures and must think quickly to determine causes and remedies. This ability to diagnose issues methodically and implement effective solutions is what distinguishes competent technicians in fast-paced work environments. Good communication is also essential, especially when working in teams or reporting issues to engineers or supervisors. Technicians must be able to clearly explain problems, outline steps taken, and provide updates on the status of repairs or installations. When interfacing with clients or non-technical staff, they must simplify complex concepts without losing accuracy. Attention to safety and adherence to protocols cannot be overstated. Technicians often work with high-voltage systems, hazardous chemicals, or delicate instruments, and must rigorously follow safety guidelines to protect themselves and others. Certifications such as OSHA training, first aid, or equipment-specific licenses are often required or preferred. Most technician roles require at least a diploma or associate degree in a technical field such as electrical technology, mechanical engineering, computer science, or biomedical engineering. Specialized training, apprenticeships, or certifications may also be required, especially for roles in fields like HVAC, automotive technology, or IT support. Work environment and career outlook. Technicians work in a wide variety of environments, depending on their specialization. This can include manufacturing plants, data centers, hospitals, research labs, or remote job sites. Some technicians work in cleanroom environments or outdoors in all weather conditions. The job may require standing for long periods, lifting heavy equipment, or working in confined spaces. The job outlook for technicians is generally strong, with steady demand across sectors like healthcare, IT, renewable energy, and manufacturing. As automation and digitization increase, so does the need for technicians who can install, maintain, and troubleshoot advanced systems. Technicians with experience in robotics, AI integration, or smart infrastructure may find increasing opportunities in the coming years. Career advancement for technicians can lead to supervisory roles, engineering positions, or specialized consultancy work. With additional education and certifications, technicians may move into fields such as project management, systems analysis, or technical training. Continuous learning and staying updated with the latest technologies can significantly enhance a technician's long-term prospects. Conclusion. The job description of a technician underscores a profession rooted in precision, technical skill, and problem solving. Technicians are essential to the functioning of industries and organizations, ensuring that equipment runs smoothly, systems remain safe, and disruptions are minimized. Whether in the fields of IT, healthcare, manufacturing, or energy, their work enables innovation and efficiency to thrive. For individuals with a passion for hands-on work, a keen eye for detail, and a strong grasp of technical systems, the role of a technician offers a stable and rewarding career. As technology continues to evolve, so too will the opportunities for technicians who are willing to adapt, learn, and contribute to the backbone of modern operations.